In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors.
Dito may nag-fishing rin dyan. Hindi kung saan sila nagpa-park. Ayan, ayan. Fishing yan. Meron din pala dito. You know,
This is fishing.
fishing.
Yeah, there you go, fishing.
Try ko na dyan next time kasi malapit lang eh. Hi guys, good morning. Papunta po tayo ngayon ng Rockwood Conservation Area. Samahan niyo po kami sa adventure namin. Yan po ay araw ng linggo. Isa pong napakagandang panahon.
There's a new trend where people are wearing soccer cleats. When they're not actually playing soccer, they're just wearing them in everyday life. Now, I must clarify, I looked at the video because I was confused. Like, am I missing something? Is there a new cool shoe that's called soccer cleats, or are they just soccer cleats? No, they're just soccer cleats, but they're being worn by, in this particular video, mostly teens, young teens, children, if you will.
They're not. Are they adding the cleats to?
No, they're wearing soccer cleats.
They're wearing soccer shoes with the cleats.
Yes.
So that they can tap dance around. I could see that being fun.
That's just it. I can't stand that sound. The click, 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 click. Yeah.
May barya ka dyan lang, pambili ng mga.
Meron. Magkano ba? We're here at the Rockwood Conservation Area. Grand River. Dewworms. This is their office. Both sides have office. Before you enter, you need to show this one to them. Thank you.
And then you got 75 cents.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah?
What's that?
It's a worm.
This is it.
A beautiful Rockwood Conservation. There's a camp area. There's a beach area. Yeah. Yeah. Baka matapon tong worm mo, oy. Uy, malapit na nga ba? Ibang matatapon. May picnic area. Ito yung picnic area
Saan
nila
yung
dito.
camping?
Just a park there.
Ang
yun
camping
ang-
ata yun, yung mga ano, yung mga RV. Ito yung RV area camp. Mga RV.
Maganda dito mag-camping kasi maraming
Yan, mga RV.
mapapasyalan. May hiking, fishing.
Where's it coming from?
Yeah, that's a
Mayroon din
camp
swimming.
area. Additional day use parking. Oh, may additional day use. Ay, nila yung parking na nila ngayon. Dinamihan na nila before ano. And this is the parking area.
Like, go get chocolate made.
Yeah. Okay, let's get parking here.
Mommy,
Yeah.
Gavin is going to the
Yeah,
airport.
taas ko yun.
Yes, going to the airport. Why? They're going to pick up something there?
And then Gavin gonna pick up Siki.
Oh, yeah? Oh, they went fishing already, love. Oh, pauwi na sila.
She went to the fishing too.
See that one, right?
Kain guys.
Hello.
melon!
Breakfast in the car
We are here in Rockwood
before
Conservation.
going to hike.
Yeah.
So we just eat our breakfast inside the car. Ito yung washroom guys sa Lake Conservation dito sa Rockwood. Yan. Mayroon ding kan dyan yung pwesto ng kainan sa itaas. Walang tao ngayon kasi medyo malamig pa at mahangin. So yan yung lake nila dyan sa baba. Medyo maliit lang pero maganda. Mag-washroom man ako guys. Ito yung beach dito guys. Yan.
Malila pag tubig, pero pag
Ah.
umaman ng tubig na yan, ano na yan, parang tubig.
Yan.
Malila pag kanila,
Pag maraming tao to, makakuha na.
parang putik na. May sali, ay, ito.
Yan, maganda yan.
Ayan kunin natin ang pwesto, oh.
Ito nga.
Uy, may pugi. Uy, may pugi.
Ano yan dyan? This is mini falls. Ganda. Tapos mayroong kabila. Yan guys, marami nagkakayak. Yan yung beach area.
And then
Well.
we are going to walk over there. Over there. Yeah, over there.
Maybe 1 hour
I don't know.
of hiking.
Because we are here. And then we're going there.
Okay.
And then that one.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Kali, are you okay? Okay.
Do you want to remove your vest? mag-ano lang dito, pwedeng tumawid lang. From there, tatawid lang sila. Kaya ko makalon? Okay, go ka lang. No? Why?
Tali, look.
Hi, Daddy!
Hi.
Go, go.
Let's go.
Panawan, look.
Hi! Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy!
The wife thing.
Bird. Daming panggatong, oh. Pwede ka lang magdala ng pan dito, pangsibak. Yan, oh. Pwede mag-uling dito, pero bawal talaga. Kung sa Pilipinas to, nako. Baka hindi to magtagal.
Hi, Tali!
Did you enjoy walking?
Did you have fun? You're tired? No, very good. We are so proud of you, my love.
May upuan, oh.
Side, Mommy.
Huh?
Which side?
Oh, this
Ayan.
side.
We'll go to the lookout.
No, we're not going to the lookout. And we're not going there. We've been there already.
Papunta kami yung kuan guys, yung lookout. Maganda doon kasi medyo mataas. Are you okay, Tali?
Yeah, that is fine. Look out, the arrow, look out. Kita mo yung arrow, look out. It's okay, Mommy's here. Don't be scared.
Where is the lookout? Ah, there's the arrow here. This one. Careful.
It's fine. It's okay. It's
Careful.
okay. Mommy's here. Over here.
Just careful because it's dangerous. So this is it. The Rockwood Conservation Area Lookout. Ito na yun. Yan, doon tayo galing kanina. Doon. Tapos umikot tayo dito hanggang nakarating tayo dito. Lookout. Yan.
And then punta tayo doon.
Tapos ikot kami doon sa may bato mamaya. Doon. Tapos ang labas din namin, babalik kami doon kung saan kami nanggaling. So,
Ay, hindi na tayo pupunta doon.
so nakalahati pa lang kami guys.
Pagod?
Oh, may ano?
Gansa?
Goose, Canada goose. Okay, so we will continue. Okay, let's go.
Gagay mo sa akin.
Mm.
Go uphill. Tali is tired. Ay, 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 ay. And then downhill. Ito ang mahirap pag may batang dala. Need to sacrifice. Carry, carry, carry. Right, Tali? Are you tired? Kabibidyo ko, baka ako yung mahulog. Okay, here you are. Kapagod din.
Mayroon atang event dito ah. Saan tayo dadaan nito mamaya? Diyan sa gitna?
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you, because we're going to the queue.
Oh no, that's fine. But there is a memorial service.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But
What
that's
time?
at it's officially starting at 2:30.
Yeah, it's okay.
But people will be arriving around 2 o'clock.
Okay.
But if you want to walk through, or go ahead. And
if not,
if-
there's a way over there?
well, if you want to get, because there's caves that way, I think.
Yeah,
But if you just walk back this way
yeah.
and just take this path here,
Ah, that
Oh,
one.
go in there.
and it'll go in there. It'll curve around to the left, and it'll basically bring you out just
Right.
at the end of this
Ah,
roadway.
Okay, thank
Thank you
you.
for the information.
Oh, no problem.
Have a nice
You
day.
too, thanks.
Thank you. May ano pala, may tao dito, memorial,
Oh.
memorial service. May 2:30 daw.
May tulay din palang ganito. Ano? Dito.
Oh, mahangin.
Papunta tong cave guys. Punta kami doon.
Mahangin.
Ito yung mga rock formation dito. Kaya tinatawag siyang rockwood. Kasi may bato. Tapos may mga kahoy. Kaya rock,
Towards rock. And then
rockwood.
wood. Kinamantas lang ko, parang may ano.
This is the cave guys. So rockwood cave. Here. There's a rock above. But, rockwood cave. Ganda. Ano? Ah.
Dito may pumapasok dyan. And then, dito ata ang labas nun eh. Dyan. Maraming tao.
I gotta take with
Water? You want to drink water? We're going inside the cave, but just in the entrance. What is inside? What is inside the cave?
Do that.
Oh, you look at that.
Mayroon pa doon. Kaso,
Leah, you're gonna get stuck.
You're gonna stuck in there.
Oh God, Clea, no.
Someone's inside.
Panic, go.
You wanna go there? Come on, dali. Dali, Daddy's there. Go, come on. Daddy's there, look. Go. Come on, Daddy. Go with Daddy. No? Let's see.
May tubig pala dito.
There's a water in there.
May tubig.
Napakan mo? Basa ka?
Hindi.
Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Clea,
Let's go.
where are you?
Oops, are you okay?
Are you tired?
Anak mo, pagod na. Aliyah is tired.
Ito yung parang falls dito. Meron din dito sa kabila. Ayan. Pwede rin dito mag-fishing. Itinayo pala ito noong 1867. Tagal na. Ang natira yung mga kuha na lang, mga dingding. Nilagyan na nila ng harang kasi marami atang pumapasok dito eh. Yan o. So naka-reserve to siya. Walang nakakapasok dito kasi nilagyan na nila ng pins. Yan. Ito yung mga sinaunang building. Parang halos lahat bato. Yan o, tulad dito. Layo pa guys. May nagpipishing guys oh. Yan.
It's like
Ito na yun. So, ibang trail na naman to siya.
No, this one is rather trail.
So,
But before,
sana tayo ngayon.
before we are here. Before
Okay.
we are here.
So now,
Ngayon, dito na tayo.
Oh, malapit
so, nadaanan natin yung dam, yung cave. Diba, gamanon tayo to cave, bumalik. Nadaanan yung dam.
ah,
Andito na tayo ngayon. Tapos, dito pa tayo.
Malapit na.
Malapit na tayo sa
Mm,
parking lot.
okay.
Pero nakakapagod.
So, we walk almost an hour.
Nabawasan ako ng calories.
Okay, let's go.
Calories, right, Tali? Okay.
Ito yung mga bato dito. Parang bundok sa Anan. Yung nagkukupras kami sa Anan Dijo. Ganito yung mga bato sa Pandan. Ito na yan guys, yung may kansela dito. Yung daanan na bridge.
Give to others.
Pwede rin mag-fishing dito kaso ngayon talaga walang isda. Siguro nagtatago na kasi mainit na eh.
May isda, oh.
Saan? Wala?
Ayan, ang maraming isda maliliit, oh. Ayan, oh. Daming isda maliliit, oh. Oh, look, oh.
Oh yan oh.
Daming isda maliliit.
Maliliit.
Yeah, that's water. But there's a fish in the water.
Maliliit pa siya. Dami. Pero pag lumaki yan, grabe yan. Malapit na kami guys. Yeah, pag maulan, pag nagpipishing dito, pwede dito magtago. Yan o.
Are you okay?
Ano yan?
We're almost done, guys. Almost done. Ang presko ng hangin. Si Tali, masakit na daw ang legs. Reklamo na siya, leg hurts daw. But we almost there. Sabi ko. Finally, we are done. So, we are here already. We are here. And then, this is the parking. Good job, guys. Good job, Dali. Good job. Good job. What a beautiful day.
So, anong masasabi mo?
Pagod. Napagod talaga ako
Sa
as
akin,
in.
Very relaxing. Try
How
nyo,
about
guys.
you, Tali? How was it?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about the cave? You like the cave?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa hiking namin.
Okay, bye!
Okay.
In the silence of the morning, the sun